Select cappuccino, and the grind we're selecting at, let's say, first I need to attach this. So we empty slot is going in, and we're going to select the grind size at I think 23 for this one. Okay, so we're going to grind this. Okay, and it's tamping as well now. And when it finishes tamping, you release that, and you got your freshly ground coffee. Attach there, and we're going to brew this as a single coffee. And we're also going to do the milk. So we're going to milk in the special designated jug, and with the milk as well, we can choose the temperature. So we're going to leave it at the recommended 65, which is drinkable temperature. And we can control the...
Just I want to share with you, in Pakistan, mostly people like too much hot coffee, which is not internationally recommended. The temperature of the coffee, the milk should be about 65, 60.
That's recommended,
like
65.
This, yes.
But I have a friend who comes and he likes slightly hotter.
Yeah.
So for him I put it on 67.
So whenever in UK and USA, we get the cappuccino and whatever any kind of coffee, normally coffee you can drink very easily.
Yeah.
Little bit hot.
That's right.
Yes.
But people ask for extra hot.
Yeah, but in Pakistan, this is a requirement of all the customers of the coffee shop that they require very too much hot coffee.
Yeah, exactly. And then here you can control the froth. So I'm going to put it on maximum froth because it's semi-skim milk, so we get a decent amount of froth for cappuccino. And then because it's dual motors, I'm going just for demonstration, I'm going to run them both together. So your brewing is a separate compressor and there's a separate compressor. So we're going to brew that, and simultaneously we're going to froth the milk.
You can see at the same time brewing the coffee and also making the frothing of the milk.
The coffee is brewed and the frothing is going to 65 degrees.
You can see increasing of the milk temperature. You see when the temperature is 65, this is automatically shut off.
Okay, so we're going to add the coffee. And now we're going to remove this. And it has a self-cleaning wand.
This is auto cleaning.
This is not so auto cleaning. If you do it straight away, then it doesn't get stuck to it. Okay, and the coffee blender.
That service is very professional.
Just करके हो रही है. और ये आपका क्या?
One nice. Thank you, sir.